Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites: company policy, approved client, and that your device is enrolled in MDM. Next, install the corporate VPN client they specify. Use the version that matches your OS. Enter your corporate username, password, and register the 2FA method. This prevents future lockouts. Once done, ensure your device clock is correct and that no local firewalls block outbound VPN ports. These steps get you securely into the system and avoid common authentication failures. Now configure the client precisely. Import the company profile or paste server address, group, and tunnel options. Set the kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops and enable split tunneling as instructed so corporate traffic goes through the tunnel while personal traffic uses your local ISP. Make sure DNS is pushed from the server to prevent leaks. After saving, connect and test by accessing an internal tool and checking your public IP to confirm traffic routing is correct. Finish by enabling auto start and persistent reconnect so the VPN reestablishes after sleep or reboot. This keeps your sessions stable. If you cannot connect, try the approved fallback like using port 443 or a secondary gateway. This bypasses many ISP blocks. When issues persist, capture client logs, exact error codes, and timestamps, then hand them to IT. That speeds diagnosis. One key tip: reboot the device after changes and retry, because cached credentials or stale routes often cause failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.